Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to give you like a very short unboxing. Wow, talaga lang ba talaga? Short talaga. Anyway, I would like to do this video ASAP kasi alam ko naka-sale pa yung shop na to. So, if this is your first time seeing my face, these cheeks, if I still have the double chin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media accounts and don't forget to like this video as well. And let's get into it. My hair is so magulo right now kasi madalian lang talaga. So, i-film ko na siya kasi para naman umabot siya na sana sale pa talaga siya kapag in-upload ko siya. So, these items are from Bath and Body Works. Yes, kasi ng Bath and Body Works na Philippines. Online shop, you can also go to Mega Mall if you want to go to the actual store, physical store. But if you don't have the time, you can actually order it online. Meron silang currently semi-annual sale and it's around 40 to 85%. So let me show you what are the items that I got. And heads up lang guys, I do love pabango. Anything na mabango or smells good, gusto ko siya. So aside from I have perfumes, I also like candles. Nakikita nyo naman sa mga videos ko, diba? Meron akong mga candles. And then, isa sa mga binibilhan ko talaga is actually Bath and Body Works kasi sobrang tagal nung lifespan. Tama ba? Yun ba yung tawag? Hindi ko alam kung yung tawag sa candle. Pero sobrang talagang tagal nung, ano yun, nung bago ma-burn yung candle. Although it's kind of expensive, but during their sale, mura siya. So, kapag sale, dapat tinitake natin yung opportunity. Binubudol natin sa joke lang. I do have here this candle. This is the 3-wick candle, as you can see. Meron din silang yung single wick, mas maliit dito. And this is Girlfriend. This is from their Halloween collection and this is super pretty. Ang ganda niya. Marami siyang design. Actually, iba-iba yung design, pati yung minsan type ng candles nila. But this one is so pretty, guys. Hindi ko kabisado yung mga scent nila, so I'll just gonna go ahead and ilalagay ko na lang sa screen kung ano yung amoy nito. But this one, may pagka-sweet siya, pero hindi overpowering yung sweetness niya. So, I do like it. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako mahilig sa sweet scent, diba? Pero, this one, this is so good, lalo na sa bahay. Kapag sindihan nyo to, as in sobrang bango talaga. As in, ang bango talaga. Binili ko to for my mom, not really for me. So, this is from their Halloween collection as well. Kasi yun talaga yung naka-sale, guys. Nung nasyempohan ko, na mas mura talaga siya. So, I got the Everlasting Magic. Ito siya. And the other one is Vampire Blood. Ang ganda ng packaging nito. As in, baka i-keep ko to dahil sa packaging. Ang ganda niya sa vanity. And alam niyo naman, may pagkaano ko ngayon sa mga vampira. Sa mga vampire, witches, mga ganyan. Oh my gosh. Probably I'm gonna keep this one. Then, we have here a pocket back sanitizer. This one naman is in the scent Rose Water and Ivy. Yung scent niya, oh my God. Alam niyo yung parang simpleng mabango. Ganun yung magiging amoy niya kapag ginamit nyo to sa hand nyo. To sanitize your hand, guys. Sobrang liit lang nito. As in, kasyang-kasya to sa inyong mga purse. Promise, ang bango ng kamay nyo kapag nakipag-holding hands kayo. Wow, may ganun. Ang bango niya, tsaka, promise, ang bango nito. Siguro I might try yung scent na to, Rose Water and Ivy. Or, I'm gonna check if meron tong candle kasi parang gusto ko siya. Guys, hindi ko nasama to dun sa video ko kasi nag-stop yung recording. But, I also got this cleansing gel soap. This is the Denim and Daisies na scent naman. So, this is not part of the Halloween collection. And, mas expensive siya kaysa dun sa Halloween collection, but I still got it because I wanted to smell it and it doesn't disappoint me. Sobrang gusto ko yung scent na to. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga clean, fresh scent. So this one is actually just a fresh, clean scent. Kaya approve to sa akin. And we have here naman yung isa sa mga parang binibili. Mostly parang super sikat na scent ng Bath and Body Works, which is yung Japanese Cherry Blossom. I got this as a moisturizing body wash. As you can see, ang laki niya. Like, ganito siya sa face ko. Hindi, maliit lang talaga yung face ko. This is 295 ml. It has shea butter and vitamin E na. So definitely, I'm gonna put this sa banyo. Although, tina-transfer ko siya for aesthetic purposes. Pero the packaging itself, guys, sobrang ganda na ng packaging niya. So, kung i-display niyo siya as is, guys, promise, maganda siya sa banyo. Then, we have here, galing sa men's collection nila, this is yung kanilang 3-in-1 na product, which is pwede siya sa hair, pwede siya sa katawan, pwede din siya sa face. And the scent that I got is Marble. First time kong maaamoy ito. Ang bango. Parang amoy bagong ligo. Wait. Oh my God, ang bango. Parang ang linis-linis ng lalaki kapag kapag ito yung amoy niya. Siyempre naman, sino ba naman may gusto ng mabaho? Pero promise, nakakagwapo talaga. Nakakadagdag points kapag sobrang clean tsaka sobrang bango ng isang guy. As in, you're gonna get the vibe na malinis siya. Wow, malinis in a way na basta gets nyo na yun, hindi ko na i-expound. Baka kung ano pa yung masabi, no? Then, oh my gosh, we have few more items that I'm gonna show you. Sabihin nyo na naman, bakit puro ganon? Guys, this is another product from there. And Halloween collection. We have their Diamond Shimmer Mist. As in, when I got this, I know na may shimmer talaga siya, but I chose to buy it because it's super cheap lang. This one is Vampire Blood and Girlfriend. O, diba? Ang perky, Girlfriend. Ang cute talaga nun. Parang sarap niya bigasan, Girlfriend, tsaka yung Vampire Blood. I'm gonna keep this as well, diba? For my vanity. Ang cute niya. Although, I love the scent naman na Girlfriend. Although, hindi ko alam kung anong scent nitong Vampire Blood. May pagkamatamis siya in a way. Pero, siguro tolerable naman. It's just that this is shimmer. Hindi ako mahilig sa shimmer na mist. Pero I think I will be able to use this during cosplay, di ba? Kapag gusto nyo shiny shimmering kayo. Parang ganun, tama, pwede ko ito magamit sa cosplay. Ang daldal ko! But yeah, ang cute nito. Then, ano pa ba? Okay. So, super safe, guys, bumili online kasi this was delivered via LBC. Tapos, as you can see, ano pa siya, balot ng bubble wrap. The remaining ones, guys, are foaming soap na din. I'm just showing you the same scent, guys. I got also a cleansing gel hand soap in Vampire Blood and foaming hand soap na Girlfriend. Guys, the packaging of this are so legit. As in, super ganda. Parang ayoko siyang i-transfer sa lagayan kasi, it's already giving. Ang ganda nung packaging nito. Grabe, nakaka-in-love. Wait, hindi ko alam kung nag-show siya sa camera, but can you see? Para siyang embossed in a way. Tsaka, the color, guys, this is, parang vampirang-vampira talaga yung dating mo dito. Ang ganda niya! Look, I'm gonna put it here so you can see. See? So cute. Sobrang cute kapag din-display niya siya. Display na nga natin. Para makita. Yan! Ganda, diba? Then, we have few more items. Oh my God, guys. I think these are just the same. Guys, I'm not gonna show this to you na kasi it's just the same scent. Nag-hoard lang talaga ako kasi ito yung naka-super sale that time. So, here it is. These are the items that I got from my BBW haul. For this video, guys, we're going to have a giveaway. Yes, syempre kapag bumibili ako, hindi ko kayo kinakalimutan. As in, guys, I love you so much. So, kapag meron ako, dapat meron kayo. Hindi ganun. So, anyway, I'm gonna give you guys this Vampire Blood na Diamond Shimmer Mist. There will be one winner. So, madali lang naman sumali sa giveaway ko. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media account, like this video, and then comment below what video you would like to see next. And that's it, guys! I hope nakakuha kayo ng something na pwede nyo mabili sa Baths and Body Works. I'm gonna try my best to upload this ASAP so you can check agad yung website nila. Sana talaga, sana sale pa sila para makabili kayo at a cheaper price kasi sobrang bango talaga ng mga products ng Baths and Body Works. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my next video, guys. Bye!